Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making beef shogayaki. Thinly sliced beef and onion are stir-fried and cooked with soy sauce-based sauce with freshly grated ginger. These are the ingredients. Shogayaki is more commonly made with pork, but today we are using beef. Thinly sliced beef marbled with fat is more desirable, but red meat is okay to use too. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we make the sauce. Peel and grate ginger root. Add the grated ginger to a small bowl. Add mirin, sake, and soy sauce. Mix and set aside. Peel and cut brown onion thinly and cut sliced beef into 2-inch width pieces. Heat a frying pan with oil at medium-high heat and add the beef. Cook for a couple of minutes until slightly browned. Add the sliced onion and stir fry for a minute. Don't overcook. And add the ginger sauce. Stir and cook to coat the meat with the sauce. Serve with shredded cabbage. The extra sauce from shogayaki seeps under the cabbage, working as a kind of dressing for the salad. Add the steamed rice on the side, and you have an easy and delicious dinner.
美味しい。美味しいね。